Here, what should I have to do? This is the disk is rotating with the omega naught, and there is a plank having mass 2m and the disk having mass m. So I am telling find the value of the friction force, type of the friction force, and direction of the friction force. So if you want to find out the value, direction, and type of the friction force, the first step is what will be the first step? What should be the first step? The first step will be always क्या होना चाहिए? You have to check the velocity. You have to check the velocity. If velocity is not different, then check acceleration of point of contact. This is there will be only a single point of contact. This is the point of the plank, that is I am giving their name P dash, and this is the point of the disc, I am giving their name P. And my question is that what I am telling, without applying the friction force, first of all we have to check the velocity or acceleration of the point of contact. So what will be the how you will find out check the velocities of the point of contact? Either it is slipping or there may be a chances of slipping. So for calculating the velocity of the point P, point of the disc, so what we have to do, first of all we have to calculate the velocity of center of mass. Then we have from center of mass we have to check the rotational velocity of the point P from center of mass. So the center of mass having velocity 0, but you will see when you will be here, so net velocity of the P will be equal to what? Velocity of the center of mass plus circular component. From center of mass you will see the relative velocity of the point P, that is what? That is omega naught into r. And from here you know that this is 0. So Vp will be equal to what? This will be equal to towards the negative I cap. So this will be minus omega naught into r I cap. So minus sign will show you the direction. So it is very much clear that this is the first step of our any type of this type of question. This will be our first step. ये हमारा क्या होना चाहिए? First step होना चाहिए. So from here it is very much clear that Vp will be not equals to Vp dash. The velocity of the point P is not equals to the velocity of the point P dash, the point of the disc. Now see what you have to see. It is very clear that if the velocity is not equal at T equals to 0, then you can apply there is a concept of the what? Kinetic friction force will come. And what is the work of the kinetic friction? The work of the kinetic friction to equalize the velocity vector. The work of the kinetic friction is to equalize the velocity of the points of contact. So how the velocity, what should be the direction of the friction force? It is because this point is going in the backward direction. It is because there is no force on this plank, so this point will be at rest. So what the friction force will do? So friction force tries to, so how the velocity, what should be the direction of the friction force? It is because this point is going in the backward direction. It is because there is no force on this plank, so this point will be at rest. So what the friction force will do? So friction force tries to make the velocity 0 of this point, that is Fk, will be in this direction, and the Fk on the plank will be in this direction. See, this Fk will act on the this Fk will act on the plank. It is because friction force always present in action reaction pair. It is always present in pair, in action reaction pair. So this is how the friction force will work. Is it clear? And everybody having till now everybody having any problem?
No sir.
This is a very simple concept, and this concept I explained so many times. So nobody should have any problem, this type of problem. See if Rahul is attending the class or not. Rahul
Yes,
is attending the class. Yes. If your friend didn't know about the timetable, please call him by yourself. It is because you having time, just call him by yourself. Please, if you can, so please join the class. Otherwise, I will not stop. So see here, this from till now, everybody can solve the question up to this level. यहाँ तक हर कोई क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व कर सकता था, ये एक प्रॉपर स्टेप है, दिस इज द प्रॉपर स्टेप, वेरी इजी एंड वेरी मतलब कि simple steps are there. First of all, we should have to check the velocity. Then we should have to decide if the velocity is not equal, then we should have to decide the direction of the friction force, type of the friction force by seeing the velocities of the point of contact. Is it clear? By keeping in your mind that what will be the aim of this type of friction force. If kinetic friction force will come, why kinetic friction force will come? It is because the aim of the kinetic friction is to equalize the velocity. So if a surface of a point of contact having velocity more, so the friction force will oppose their velocity, and a point of contact which having the point of the p dash having less velocity, zero velocity, so it tries to increase their velocity. This point is going in this direction. It is because their velocity will be minus I direction. So the friction force will try to decrease their velocity and try to increase their velocity of the point of flight. It is because what friction force wants to equalize the velocity vector. तो ये इस डायरेक्शन में velocity था, इसको कम करके इधर की तरफ लाएगा और इसको बीच करके इधर की तरफ लाएगा, और when the kinetic friction will achieve their goal, it leaves their place. So my question was that when the slipping stops, for this case also, my question is that when the slipping stops, this is my question. Now, this up to this level, everybody can solve the question, everybody can do this question up to this. मतलब कि यहाँ तक सब कुछ कर सकता है, कोई कर सकता है. This was nothing is new, everything is from the friction chapter. Now see, now if you will see the disk, so disk is a what? Disk is a just like a, you will see this is a disk. So what I am telling, this disk, the force acting on the disk is other than center of mass. So that this is the translational component will be there and rotational component will be there of the disk. Is it because translational effect will come or rotational effect will come? Both effect will come. Why the both effect will come? It is because the force is acting other than the center of mass on the disk. Now from here you will see what? You will see, you can see what? See here. If I will calculate the translational or I will write the story of the center of mass. So what will be the story of center of mass? Fk will be in the positive direction. This will be equal to mass of the what? Disk and acceleration of center of mass of the disk. And from here you can calculate the acceleration of center of mass of the disk is Fk by m, and this value is what? The value of the Fk is fixed, that is Fk will be equal to mu into m into g. Why it will be mu into m into g? Mg will be in this direction, normal force will be in this direction, and if this is action, this is reaction. And if you will calculate, you will see this disk is in equilibrium in the y direction. So you can write down n minus mg will be equal to 0, n will be equal to what? Mg, and from here Fk will be equal to mu into n, their value is fixed, that is mu into m into g. So from here if I will calculate, so AC, IA, CM we will get, this will be what? This will be mu into g. Is it clear? Anybody having any problem? No problem in this till this step. No problem.
No problem.
Anybody having any problem? No problem. Now see, if I will talk about the rotational, I want to calculate the torque. So from center of mass, if I will calculate the torque, this is the center of mass, and from center of mass, if I will calculate the torque, so R cross F, R cross F, positive. So R cross Fk, this will be equal to what? I am calculating the torque from center of mass. That's why what should I have to do? I have to find out the I about the center of mass, that is moment of inertia, that is mr squared by 2 into alpha. From here you will see directly I am writing r into f, the value of the Fk is equal to mu into mg. This will be equal to mr squared by 2 into alpha. From here I can calculate r to r, m से m calculate cancel out कर सकते हैं, and from here I can write down 2 mu g divided by r is equal to alpha. Is it clear? Anybody having any problem?
No, sir.
No problem. So this is the what? This is the angular acceleration. and this is the what? This is what? This is acceleration of the center of mass. Now see, if I am assuming that after time t, the sleeping stops. After what time? After time t, the sleeping stops. So if I am assuming that the after t second, the sleeping will stop. So after time t second, Vp will be equals to the Vp dash. The velocity of the point P will becomes equal to the velocity of the point P dash. So first of all, we should have to check what will be the velocity of the point P dash after time t second. What should we have to check? We have to check what should be the velocity of the point P dash after time t second. Is it clear? So now, before calculating the velocity of the point P, first of all, I will write the dynamics of this plank. This plank having negligible height. That's why I will assume that center of mass will be here, and this force is passing through the center of mass. So this plank is basically what? See, this is the rod, very thin rod like this. I am not giving you the width of the plank. So that's why the force is acting here. So this force is passing through the center of mass. If the force is passing through the line of action of force is passing through the center of mass, so that body will not rotate, that will do only translate motion. So it is because due to this friction force, this plank also starts translating in the minus x direction. So I am writing the dynamics of the plank. Whatever I will apply the Newton's second law on the plank. So I can write minus Fk will be equals to what? M into A of the P dash. And from here I can write minus mu into M into G divided is equal to M into AP dash. And from here I can write what will be the AP dash will be equals to minus mu into G is equal to what? In the I direction. Is it clear? Is it clear? I am applying the
Yes, sir.
law. See, it is because due to this force, this surface is the smooth surface. Mu is 0 is given in your question. This plank starts to, due to this friction force, this plank starts to move in the negative I cap, and the acceleration of that plank in the negative I cap is mu into G. The minus sign is showing the direction of the acceleration. Anybody having any problem? Now see, after time t second, I have to calculate the velocity. So I have to find out when the sleeping stop. Sleeping stop means when the velocity of the point P will equal to the velocity of the point P dash. When the velocity of the point P will be equal to the velocity of the point P dash. So just I am assuming that after time t second, the velocity of the point P dash and the velocity of the point P, velocity of the point of this and the velocity of the point of the rod or plank will become equal. Sorry, one thing I did here mistake. That is the mass of the plank is 2m. Is it clear? The mass of the plank is 2m. The value of the AP dash is mu g by 2. Is it clear? Is it clear? Is it clear? Is it clear? Mass of the plank is 2 mg. Here I am taking only m, so this is my mistake. The mass of the plank is 2 mg. That's why I have to take the mass of the plank into acceleration of the plank. Is it clear? Is it clear? Okay.
Yes.
Now see.
Yes, sir.
If I want to calculate the velocity of this disk of the point P, so first of all I have to calculate the velocity of center of mass of the disk after time t second. That will be the translational velocity, and I have to calculate the rotational circular velocity, circular component of the velocity of the point P. Then I have to add them vectorially by keeping in our mind, by keeping the direction in our mind. So see here, first of all I am calculating the velocity. So if I will calculate, I am calculating the velocity. So just I am calculating the velocity of the disk. So what will be the velocity of the disk after time t? Is it visible? Is this no?
it's visible, sir.
Is it clear?
Sir,
Yes, sir.
could you put it
Now
a bit?
see, after time t, VCM, final velocity of the center of mass will be equal to what? Initial translational velocity is 0. Is it clear? Plus ACM into t, so mu into g into t. This is the velocity of center of mass. Now from here you will see final omega final of this point. Is it clear? So omega final will be equal to what? Initial omega, it will be negative I direction. In omega, due to this, I am taking final omega will be in the positive. This sense of rotation, I am taking positive anti-clockwise direction, and in clockwise direction, I am taking it as a negative. So minus omega naught plus alpha becomes positive. It is very much clear. It will become positive. It is what this is due to this force is coming. So the sense of rotation due to the alpha will come. That is what? That is the anti-clockwise direction. So this will be what? This will be what? Initial omega plus alpha, that is 2 mu g divided by r into t. This is the omega final. Is it clear? Is it clear? Now, if I will calculate the velocity of the point of Planck after time t, just I am assuming that after time t second, the velocity of all the points will become equal. After point t second, the velocity of all the points will equal and the sleeping stops. So from here you can calculate the velocity of the point t dash after time t second. Initial velocity is 0. Final velocity is what? Minus. It is in the negative direction because the force will be in the negative direction. A into t. So A will be mu g by 2 into t. This is the final velocity. Now I have to calculate this t. I already assumed that after this time t second, the sleeping stops. So when the sleeping will stop, then it means when the sleeping stops, it means the kinetic friction will achieve their goal. Vp will be equals to the Vp dash. This is the very much important point. So if I will write the Vp, so what will be the Vp? See here, what will be the Vp? First of all, I am writing the velocity of this point p after time t second. So I have to calculate the velocity of the center of mass after this time t second, that is mu gt in the positive x direction. So mu into g into t. Is it clear? Now,
Yes, sir.
the alpha will comes in the positive sense I am taking. So plus omega final into r. This will be the net velocity. This will be of the point p. The velocity of the point p dash, point of the this is what? This point is what? This will be equal to this value. Their value will be what? Minus mu gt divided by 2. And I have to calculate this t. Is it clear? Now see, I am writing mu gt. I am writing the value of the omega final. That is what? Plus minus omega initial plus 2 mu gt g by r into t into capital R. This will be equals to minus mu gt divided by 2. And from here, if you will calculate mu gt plus minus minus, is it clear? Omega naught into r plus plus plus, is it clear? Plus 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 2 mu g into t will be equals to mu minus mu gt divided by 2. Is it clear? If I will calculate from here, the value 2 mu gt plus mu gt, the value will become how much? 3 mu gt. So 3 mu gt minus omega naught into r. This will be equals to minus mu naught into g into t divided by 2. Am I right? From here you will see what? Minus omega naught into r. This will be equals to, you will see the minus mu naught g t by half. minus 3 mu gt. So this will be equal to what? 7 by, this will be 3.5, that is half, and when you will add 3 plus half, 3.5, and 3.5 will be 7 by 2 mu gt. Is it clear? This will be equals to minus omega into r, and minus or minus sign will be equals to what? Minus. So you can cancel out this minus sign, and you can write the value of the t will be equals to, that is 2 into omega naught into r divided by 7 into mu into g. This is the value of the time when the velocity of the point of the disk and the velocity of the point of the planet which comes in contact will become equal. And then we can say that then the sleeping, after this time sleeping stops, and we know that as the sleeping stops, it means the kinetic friction gained their, achieved their goal. So after achieving the goal, the kinetic friction will leave their place. So the kinetic friction will leave their place. This is the way how to solve this problem. So if you will write each and every step, this is the process of learning. This is the very initial step. So that's why whatever will be the steps I am telling you, just rely on me and try to write on like this. It is because if you will apply anything in your, if you will write in your own way, and if you will write in a very complex way, then whenever you will revise the chapter at the time of your examination, just before your examination or after your board examination, so you will be what? Very much complex. The things will be very much complex, and your notebook